Place your bottle on the background. Mount your camera on a tripod. Use landscape mode. Then after that, you can now walk in, alright? Then you sit down, doing anything of your choice, alright? Then you wait for some few seconds or some minutes. Then you can now pick your bottle or carry your water to drink. Look at what I am doing. Then as you drink your water now, you can now keep the bottle for the second time, alright? Then you wait. After some minutes or some few seconds again, you can now still carry the water for the second time, okay? Then you look at the water, then you drop the bottle in the haze, then you walk out. Then you record the second video where you walk in like this, then you make a jump, alright? Then you stay there for some few minutes or some few seconds. After that, you can now walk out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project. Import your video to workspace, guys. Click on your video, locate volume, okay? Click on volume, reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back. So at this point you want to mark out an empty background, but before then let us expound the video, alright? You can expound it, that is if you like. This place is choice, alright? Expound it and position it. After positioning it, then we are going to be making a split, alright? To mark out or to cut out an empty background. Click here and make a split. Go and look for overlay. Click on overlay now. Then you click on the background. Go and look for freeze, guys. We are looking for freeze. Click on freeze now. Click on your background and drag it, the freeze part. Drag it to the duration of the video. Then you come back, alright? As you come back now, you want to click on this one and drag it to the beginning of the video. Then you locate where you want the video to start from, okay? Click here now, make a split, delete the first part, click on this one and take it to the beginning of the video. So at this point you click on overlay. You are going to be clicking on overlay now to add this second video here. Import it to workspace, guys. Then you click it and locate volume. Click on volume, reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back. Make it to fit the screen. After that now, then we want to mark out where we want it to start from. From this place now, you click it and make a split, delete the first part. We don't need it again, okay? Then after that, you go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG now, auto remover. Allow it to remove completely. As you can see, it's applying, it's removing. So you exercise patience, let it remove completely, okay? Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorial, okay? Welcome to the tutorial. We are still on the BG removal. You can see it has removed completely. Mark on that good and go back. So at this point, you want to make the video align, okay? Make it align. Bring it to this part where we're about picking the water for the second time. Then after aligning it, let us see how it's going to play. Look at this character he has walked in. Let me show you what we are going to be doing now. This second character has walked in. So what we are going to be doing is immediately this character jump up, click on the video, okay? Immediately you jump up, you click on the video now and make a split, alright? As it lands, okay, you are going to be making a split again, alright? At the landing part, make another split. You come and click on this small one, the middle one, then you add keyframe, alright? Then you adjust it, alright? Then take the character up. So after that, you adjust it, that landing part, cropple this character and put him inside that bottle, alright? Cropple him, put him inside that bottle. After cropping him and putting him inside the bottle, you come to this second part as well. Click it, crumple it as well, crumple that one also, and put him inside the bottle. After that, let us see. We are going to play it to see how it look. All right, after you have finished with this second part, now let's see how it plays. Okay, just exercise. Good, this is it, this is it. Play it again. Good, this is it. So allow the video to play. Let us complete the video now. Let the video play. All right, let it play to the point where you pick the water for the second time. No, come back. Immediately your hand touches the water, click on the video, you add your keyframe. All right, so what you are going to be doing is, as you are picking the bottle, you are adjusting the character to the point of the bottle so that the character will play with the bottle. So as you are picking the bottle, you are adjusting the character. All right, just follow what I am doing. As the bottle is moving, the character is moving with it. Don't bother about the key. The key will be adding automatically. Your own is move the water and move the character. So you are moving the video, you are moving the character. So you are moving the video, you are moving the character to make sure that the character play with the bottle, with your water. All right, so just take example, follow the example of what I am showing you so that you will not make mistake. All right, to the point where you threw it down. All right, at this point still drag the character to be at the point of the bottle. All right, until the bottle fall out completely. You now drag the character out completely. All right, drag it out. After you add another key, you just drag it out completely. Then after that, now we are going to be playing the video to see what we have done. Play the video. Let us see how the video will play. Let us see what we have got here. Good, this is good. So at this point, I believe that this video is ready, but let's play it from the beginning to see whether there is corrections or some necessary things to be corrected. So as you are watching it now, take time to see whether there is an error anywhere. If there is an error, then you take time to correct your error. Now is a time to take time and watch the video. Guys, don't forget to support us, okay? We appreciate every one of you for supporting us. God bless you. All right, so we are still watching the video. Take your time. All right, if there is any correction, you make your necessary corrections. But if there is no correction, as far as I'm concerned, this video is ready. So what we are going to be doing is to remove the unwanted part. Click on this one and make a split. Click on this, make a split, then delete the three of them. They are of no use again. All right, so at this point now, this video is perfectly ready. All right, you can see I'm trimming so that the character will play with it. At the end of all this now, the video is ready. What will be remaining here now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect. Then after that, you can now export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry. At the description of this video, my number is there. Just go and DM me. Then I will put you through on how to add your necessary effects. And after that, you can now export your video to your gallery and share it to your social media handles. But there is another thing you need to understand about this video. Remember, you use auto remove BG, which is a pro features. All right, if you try to export this video now, you cannot be able to export it because you are not a pro member. But don't worry, we have got you covered on that. In one of my video there, I've recorded on how to use CapCut Pro features for free. Okay, go and watch the video, then you will learn and know how you will export your video to your gallery and then share it to your social media handles. Okay, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.